you have a lot of chance to grow here in the companies. If you want to move to a new role, even after getting hired, there are a lot of opportunities here to grow forward in either direction, in management roles, in tech roles. So there's a variety of roles that open up for you once you move to any company here.
Hi, this is Jörg from Find a Job in Germany, and today we're having a little get-together at our new office. And with us today is one of our very first clients who actually used to come to Berlin. How many years ago? Is it like 1 year now?
Yeah, almost, more than a year, yeah.
Welcome to Mira. Thank you for joining us. Mira, first of all, tell us a little bit about yourself, what you're doing right now. You're working in Berlin as a software engineer, of course. Everybody knows that, huh? But how's life treating you here? That's my first question.
I think for a year now, like it's been amazing. I have few friends now, so it's like getting together with everyone. It's making sure getting together with everyone, and yeah, life is really fun here.
And when you compare the first couple of months that you've been here, getting used to everything and how it's now for you, looking back, how do you feel?
I think when I started moving in here, it was I was living with 5 guys. Now I've moved to my own place, so when you slowly, like after 6 months, you start to realize that you have to integrate to the society here. So once you do that, I think life is really peaceful here, and it's amazing, honestly.
Okay, wonderful. Your team and your tech company, who are you working with? How many are you? How many women? How many guys? And what's the work environment like?
So the company that I work for is heavily tech focused. So currently, I'm also focused. I moved to a new position as a tech lead. So once I moved there, I have mostly team members of around 8 people. And with that saying, in the company there are less women, but then you have a lot of chance to grow here in the companies. If you want to move to a new role, even after getting hired, there are a lot of opportunities here to grow forward in either direction, in management roles, in tech roles. So there's a variety of roles that open up for you once you move to any company here, I would say. Yeah.
Wonderful. What about Berlin? I mean, you also have a life after work, of course.
Yes.
What do you do in your free time? Who do you hang out with? How was it making friends? Maybe you can want to also share some about that.
Yeah. I think it really depends upon your personality. But for me, it really worked out. Like I found out my group or my friend circle in gym. So it was really fun to go out because the gyms are not gyms. It's a club of a lot of women there, and then you meet them and you hang out with them, and then you can go around the city for a run, and it's so much integrating because it's not just one community. You get a mix of people from different countries, so you really can explore different things together. So I've actually traveled with these women, so that has been a lot of fun.
Awesome. Where did you go? Like all over Europe?
Yes, so actually I explored, like last summer, I explored a lot of Germany with them.
Okay.
So like more like Heidelberg, Leipzig, all the, so you remember we have the €9 ticket, right? So we explored all the smaller cities in Germany. So that was really a lot of fun.
Okay. And what is your take on Germany now that you've seen a couple of other areas as well? What would you say? Is it different in different parts?
I think I really like it everywhere else as well. There's a lot of good options for food and travel and go around with. But I feel like Berlin is the place I still want to live because it's so international, and there's not like, yes, it's important to know German, but you can still get around without German. That's what I feel. So I feel like really I feel like people really accept you as you are in Berlin rather than other places of Germany.
Mm-hmm.
So that for me is really important. And I feel like, yeah, it's like in Berlin, the society is much more united rather than other places of Germany.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How's your German?
Right now, I have just initiated learning German. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Spoken like a true expat living in Berlin, doesn't know any German. Well, you don't have to, right?
Yes.
But you are now different than my other, international friends or people who are not from Germany. So you're happy here, right?
Of course, like happy is the word, but I feel happy wouldn't be the right word. I'm much more content here with being happy. So definitely you feel a lot more content. I feel a lot more content coming to Berlin.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. You are now here for the second time. You already been to our first get-together at our old office. Now you're here. Thank you so much for coming. It really means a lot. And yeah, we're going to be in touch for sure in the future as well. So thank you all for joining us for this little video. All the best and talk soon.